I'm really passionate about my macro photography, and this is a really cheap way of doing it. You don't need to buy loads of kit. You can just simply get a kit from Camkix. It supplies a macro lens amongst other lenses, which simply attach to your iPhone or your smartphone, allowing you to get up close and personal. It creates some fantastic images, really sharp, and the magnification is fantastic, as demonstrated in the upcoming video. So I've got the macro lens attached to my iPhone, and as you can see, it's pretty cool, isn't it? Get the real detail. You can see all the pollen in there, ready for the bees to come in. There's actually some green fly in there. I don't know whether I can get in there enough. Can you see those green fly? I think that's really cool. So that's just a bog standard little macro lens that you attach to your mobile phone or your smartphone. Yeah, look at that detail. Wow. That's pretty impressive. And then you just pull out again. I've got my phone attached to a tripod just to hold it more steady as I'm going in. And you can see it's just starting to get a little bit windy. So if you are out in the garden doing macro photography, it's an idea not to do it on a windy day, because you need your subject, to be quite still ideally. But it's just to demonstrate, so you just pull away. But that's not bad, is it, for a little cheap macro lens that you just attach to your phone lens. Hi there, you've just watched the video. This is the equipment you need. This little clip, that's the macro lens. That just screws onto there. You take your mobile phone, and all you simply do is you clip that over your phone lens and you're good to go. Thanks Camkix, fantastic product. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.